happy morning. Jai
Very
Gurudev.
good day, ma'am.
Very good day, dear children,
Okay.
and very happy morning.
Happy
Now
morning,
it's
ma'am.
time for prayer. Yes, my dear children. Mute yourself, sit straight, join your palms, get set ready for the morning prayer.
Okay. We'll start our class with morning prayer. So all of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, repeat after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay, thank you children. Now all of you sit in your comfortable position now. Comfortable place. Now all of you sit. Yes. So before going into today's class, I want everyone to chat now. What day today children? What day today? Please chat now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Kanna. Good morning. So what day today dear? Today is Tuesday. Is it Wednesday? Come on, chat please.
Monday, ma'am.
Thank you so much. What is your name?
Teacher, ma'am.
Repeat. Kanna, repeat. Repeat your name. Tell me again.
Teacher, ma'am.
Shagitya, right? Wow, very good, Kanna. Very good. Today is Monday. Very good. Can I know the date also? Can I know the date also?
12.4.2021.
12.4.2021. Can I know your name? Meenakshi. Hey, wow, very good, Kanna. Very good. Really, I'm so happy. Good. So,
Yes,
which
many
month?
of them they have. Yes, ma'am. Many of them they have given the answer in the chat box. That means
Okay.
the today's date and the month. So yes, well done, my
Very
dear
good.
children. Very good. So many of them
Superb,
they have
Kanna.
date, today's date, day, month. Very good.
Okay. So, first I need to introduce myself. I am Bani M, the class teacher of second standard C section. I'll repeat. I am Bani M, the class teacher of second standard C section. So, today we are going to math subject. Today we are going to see math subject. Please all of you listen carefully.
வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப
Yes.
லோவா வருது.
Is it not audible, ma'am?
ஆடிபிளா இருக்கு மேம்.
Ma'am, not audible.
Audible. Okay, dear parents, kindly
வாய்ஸ்
mute.
தான் ரொம்ப லோவா இருக்கு.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, mute the mic. You
Now
can
is
use
it
the
clear,
mic.
parent? Now is it clear, parent?
No clear,
Yes,
ma'am.
Thank you so much for the information, parent. Thank you. Okay, so now, today we are going to see math subject. So please all of you listen carefully. Before entering into today's topic, we are going to see interesting fun facts about maths. Interesting fun facts about maths. So what is interesting fun facts of today? You all know the number names. I know definitely most of you children, most of you will know the number names, right? Like ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, so on. But the unique speciality is there. Children, are you listening? The unique speciality, that special number name we have. Number name 4. Number name 4. You just count how many letters are there in number 4. Can anyone please chat me? Can anyone please send me the message? How many letters are there in number name 4? F-O-U-R. 4. How many letters are there? 4 letters. Right? 4 letters. Now see, this is the interesting fact of today's. Now see, 4 is the only number that has same number of letters as the number itself. I'll repeat again. 4 is the only number that has same number of letters as the number itself. What it means? The number name 4 alone has 4 letters in it. You just see ONE1. You just see ONE1. How many letters are there, children? How many letters are there in ONE1? How many alphabet? 3. Correct? 3. But the number is 1. You just move on to number 2. Number name of 2 is TWO. Now you count and see. Now you count and see how many letters are there. 3 letters. But the number is 2. Now you just see in 3. Number name 3. THREE. THREE. Now you see, you count and see how many letters you are getting. 5 letters. But the number is 3. But the number name is 3, right? Now you just go on to 4 now. You look into 4. Count your number of letters now. How many letters it has? F-O-U-R. So the letter which contains 4, right? 4 letters are there in number name 4 and the number also 4. The number name F-O-U-R, 4. Isn't it unique? Isn't it unique, children? Say yes or no. Isn't it unique? Speciality it has, right? So this is today's amazing fact, right? Now you just see 5. F-I-V-E. How many letters are there? 4 letters, but the number is 5. You just try with number 6, number 7, number 8. Like, keep on trying, but you will be getting that specialty in number 4 alone. Okay? So did you all enjoy today's interesting fact about 4? Yes or no? Please, can anyone chat me in the box? Good. Very good. Thank you, children. Super. Now, today's topic. We'll move on to today's topic. Today's topic is place value. Today's topic is place value. I know most of your children would have learned in first standard what is place value. I'm just going to revisit once again. I'm just going to recall once again. Okay. What do you mean by place value? Place value means each number has its own value, own place. Each number has its own place value, right? Now see, just see. Here we have on the screen 0, 5 or 5, 0, right? So the last number 0 is, we will call it as ones or otherwise units, and 5 we will call it as tens. 5, where is the place now? Tens place. 5 is in tens place. 0 is in ones place. Okay? This is what we are going to see today's class. We are going to see in today's class. Okay. Now see. Counting in tens and ones. Counting in tens and ones. right? Counting in tens and ones. Now see, okay. Now see, you always, children, are you listening, children? Are you listening? Please show thumbs up. Please show thumbs up. Are you listening? Is it interesting, children? Are you all listening, my dear? Please show thumbs up now. Yes. Come on. I want everyone to show thumbs up now, right? Very good, children. Superb. Good, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now listen, all of you. It's again very interesting. Please be careful. Please listen. See, always you have to keep one thing in your mind. In a bundle, bundle means you know, right? When you're tying some things, together, we will call it as a bundle. Okay? So in a bundle, we have 10 things. We have 10 things. It can be crayons, it can be pencils, it can be color pencils, or it can be pen also, some things. But when you are making a bundle, in one bundle, you have to have 10 things. Okay? 10 பொருளை வச்சு ஒரு bundle பண்ணணும். Fine? That is called as bundle. That is called as bundle. So, in a bundle, 10 things will be there. 10 things when you are bundling it, it is called as 110. It is called as 110. Am I clear, children? Am I clear to everyone? 110 equal to 10 ones. That is what I have explained now. 110 equal to 10 ones. Now you would have understood. 110 equal to 10 ones. Now you just give me the spelling of number name 10. Now you are going to give me the spelling of number name 10. T, what letter? Which letter are missing now? In between T and N. Can anyone type it? T-E-N. Wow, very good, children. Very good. Superb. Thank you so much. Thank you. Correct. Okay, now moving on to the next slide. See here, see it on the screen now. How many bundles are there? 2 bundles. I told you before itself, in a bundle, 10 things are there. So 2 bundles are there. So it means 2 tens equal to how many ones? 2 tens equal to how many ones? 20 ones. Very good, children. Very good. Thank you so much. 20 ones. Mute, my dear. Can you mute, please? Thank you. Okay, the same way you have to tell me the spelling also, or otherwise you just chat me in the box. Come on. 20. 20. So, which letter is missing now? What is the second letter? T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. Very good, children. Thank you so much for your reply. Thank you, thank you. Okay, good. Now, moving on to the third slide. Next slide. So, how many bundles are there now? Come on. How many bundles are there? 3 bundles. So, 3 bundle in the sense? 3 tens. 3 tens. 3 tens equal to how many ones? 30 ones. How many ones? 30 ones. Now you're going to give me the number name spelling. The spelling of the number name. 30. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Very nice. Good. Good, good, good. Superb. Yes, good, Kana. Good, good. Now, the next slide. Now, how many bundles are there now? How many bundles? 4 bundles. 4 bundles means how many tens? 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. Very good. 4 tens equal to how many ones, my dear? How many ones, my dear? 40 ones. Correct? Yes, very good thing. Very good, children. Very good, Kana. So nice of you. Thank you so much for your reply. Good. Right. So the same way I want you to give me the spelling of number name 40. F O R 40. T T Y T 40. So T is missing there, right? But here I wanted to tell you one thing, because most of your children, most of the children will make mistake here. So please keep one thing in your, this is 40, no 40. Because many children will make mistake here. F-O-U-R-T-Y. They will write U in between, which is wrong, my dear. So please remember that. Keep that in your mind till you grow up. Please, after grow up, don't forget, you have to keep till in your lifetime. Okay, so 40 is a wrong pronunciation. 40 is the correct pronunciation, right? So don't use U. Don't use U letter in between. F-O-R-T-Y. Is that right spelling? Correct? Okay, children. Thank you. Next. Now you tell me, how many bundles are there? 5 bundles. How many bundles are there? 5 bundles. 5 bundles in the sense, how many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens equal to how many ones? 50 ones. Correct. Now, please give me the number name. Please give me the number name. Spelling. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Very good, children. Very good, children. I'm getting answers. I'm seeing. Very good. Very good. I'm getting answers. Thank you so much. Good. 50. Very good, Kana. Very good. Thank you so much. Now move on to the next slide. How many bundles are there on the screen? 6 bundles. 6 bundles in the sense? 6 tens. 6 tens equal to how many ones? 6 tens equal to how many ones? Can you please chat me? 60 ones. Very good. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. 60 ones. Now, the same way you just give me the spelling also. 6. Already you know the spelling of 6. S-I-X. Now, you have to only join T. T-Y. T. 60. S-I-X. T-Y. 60. Thank you so much, children. Thank you very much. Now, next one. Yes. Here comes. How many bundles are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. How many bundles are there? 7 tens. 7 bundles are there. In the sense, 7 tens equal to how many ones? 70 ones. How many ones? 70 ones. Now, please give me the spelling also, children. Yes. E. Right. What is missing? Which letter? Very good. Thank you so much. V is missing. Right. 70. You just press on it. 70. Yes. E-B-E-N-T-Y. Thank you, children. Very good. Right. Thank you, Kana. Thank you so much. Now, the next slide. Now you are going to give me how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, 8 tens equal to how many ones? 8 tens equal to how many ones? 80 ones. Very good, children. 81. Superb. Now you just going to give me the spelling of it. Come on, give me the spelling now. E-I. Yes, which letter is missing? G-H-T-Y. Very good. Thank you so much, children. Thank you for your reply. Good. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Good. Thank you. The next one. Yes. How many bundles are there? 9. 9. So 9 bundles in the sense 9 tenths. 9 tenths equal to how many ones? That is very important. How many ones? 90 ones. Don't get confused. 9 tenths means 90 ones. Okay, please be clear on it. Fine. So now you are going to give me the spelling also. Come on. N-I-N. N-I-N. Now what is missing? E, right. E. E-T-Y, 90. 90. Very good, children. Very good. The same way I told you before, right? As I told you before, 40 and 90, most of the children will make mistakes. In 40, most of you will write U. In 90, most of you will forget to write E. Don't forget, okay? 90 means N-I-N-E-T-Y. But most of your children will write N-I-N-T-Y. That is wrong. Okay, Kanna? So please keep this in your mind. 90 spelling is N-I-N-E-T-Y. Fine. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Good. Now here comes the final one. Here comes the final one. Now listen. Listen carefully. Don't give me the answer. Wait, 1 minute. I'll just explain you. Then you can give me the answer. Listen. Okay. Now you count and see how many bundles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens. 10 tens equal to how many ones? 100 ones. How many ones? 100 ones. Okay, you just keep blindly in your mind that you have to register in your mind 10 tens equal to 100 ones. That's all. Okay, 10 tens equal to 100 ones. Now you have to give me the spelling. Give me the spelling. So how many 100 are there? Is it 200? Is it 300? No, is it only 100? It has only 100. So O-N-E what? 100 spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-T. 100. So 100 is the right spelling for 100 number name, right? Okay. 100. Always please tell me 100 is the correct word for this 100. Okay, number name. Okay, 100, because there is no 200s, there is no 300, only 100. Okay, fine, children. Very good, children. Thank you so much for your reply. Now you just relax now. Relax yourself. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do a warm-up activity now. We are going to do a warm-up activity. What it is? Okay. Now all of you have 10 fingers, I think so. Correct or not? All of you have.
Yes, my dear children, it's time for you. You can on your video to do the warm-up activity. Yes, you can on your video and show your fingers. Right hand, left hand, fingers. Yes, my dear children.
Can you all please switch on your video so that I could see you? Can you all please switch on your video so that I could see your faces? Very beautiful faces I wanted to see. Yes. Come on. I want everyone to switch on your video. Come on, children. I wanted to see you. Yes. Now. Very good. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Okay, good. So all of you have 10 fingers, right? So all of you, please open all your 10 fingers now. Please open all your 10 fingers. Now see how Vani ma'am is showing on the screen now. Yes, I want everyone to open your all 10 fingers. Right. Be ready. Now see here. Now see here. Start from the small finger. The little finger, number 10. The ring finger, number 20. The middle finger, number 30. The point finger, number 40. Thumb finger, number 50. And the same way, in left hand, start from thumb finger again. Thumb finger 60. Point finger number 70. Middle finger number 80. Ring finger number, ring finger number 90. And the little finger number 100. Yes, you just think of it. You just think of it. You have all the numbers in your hands, right? On your fingers, correct? Now what you have to do, this is what you're going to write the number name now. So today, here comes your homework. Today's homework. The number name you have to write from the 10 till 100, 100. So we have learnt all the number names from 10 to 100, right? So you will be confident now to write the number name. I know. Yes. But what you have to do, you just have to write and keep waiting till the next class comes. So when next class comes, you all have to switch on your videos and you should show me whether it can be in a piece of paper or it can be in your rough note. It can be in your rough note. Oh, okay, either it can be in your rough note or either it can be in your piece of paper, right? But you have to show me now. In the next class, not now. In the next class, okay? You just think all 10 fingers means little finger. Okay, 20 means ring finger. Yes, middle finger 30. Again, right hand point finger is 40, right hand thumb finger is 50. Now the same way, left hand thumb finger is 60, left hand point finger is 70, left hand middle finger is 80, and left hand ring finger is 90, and left hand little finger is 100. You just think of and write the number name from 10 to 100. Is it okay, children? Yes. Thank you very much for your kind support. Thank you, children. Thank you for your kind support.